when that happens. Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be servicing the rear differential on our tow vehicle, 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 package, 5.3 liter and a 6L80 transmission. We're going to get this cover off with the oil drain, and should be an easy job. Let's get to work. Take out our fill plug first. Your fill plug has a little magnet on it. This one's pretty clean. We're going to clean it up anyway. Now we're going to take all these bolts off. We'll leave these two top ones in, so when we pull this cover off, it drains and the whole cover doesn't come off and we make a mess, unless you want to make it. Okay, 10 millimeter. I've taken down the spare tire, give me a little more room under here. Not necessary to, but let's get all these bolts out. Fluid's starting to leak already. Really doesn't look too bad. Just did it about 40,000. We're at 85 now. Just loosen those two. We'll let this all drain out. Okay, looks like it's pretty well done draining. Take these two out. Bolts are all the same size and length. No need to get them out. Longer than this one. A little bit. That was the bracket for that. We're gonna leave that right there. Okay, let's get the cover off. There's your rear. Your cover. Clean that all up. It's not really too dirty. There is the gasket here. This is a reusable gasket, so you can reuse these again. It doesn't look too bad a shape. Clean that all up. Use that. We can see that. Here's a shot of the magnet right there. Clean that all up. Clean up the pan, the gasket. Hate when that happens. Come on now. Knock all the heavy stuff off, that's all. Real simple. Take this out, give it a wipe, and that's that. Alright, once you got all the mating surfaces cleaned up, dry, let's put our pan and our gasket back on. We are reusing the gasket. Let's say it's a reusable gasket. Turn this on. Open that up. Now let's get all the bolts in there. This might take a minute. Let's put on. The long bolt goes in here. There you go. All right, we're going to tighten all these down to 15 foot-pounds. We got them all tight. All right, 15 foot-pounds. and we're good. Let's get our oil pump over here and fill her up. Takes about 2 quarts of fluid. So I have 2 quarts of 75/85 is what the book called for. I don't know why it's not 75/90, but this is what the book called for. That's what we'll put back in it. Alright, got the transfer pump set up. Let's fill this baby up. There we go. I think this pump is so much easier than pump with that other thing. But either way it will work. I want to fill it up just to where it comes out. That'll be full. Alright, it's starting to come back out. Let's see what the level is. Oh yeah, that's full. That is full. We're going to put our drain plug back in there. We will hit it with some brake parts cleaner. Clean it all up. Snug this up. You don't have to be crazy tight. Spray it all down with brake parts cleaner. Wipey wipe. There you go. That job is done. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. And comment on down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.